The unexpected ascent in DeFi, decentralized finance, reception among financial backers and crypto brokers, has driven numerous to look for elective answers for the consistently developing ETHEREUM exchange charges. For a wonderful client experience on DeFi stages, Polygon concocted an answer that permits retail and institutional merchants to communicate with DeFi applications at a reasonable exchange charge without losing everything on the Ethereum mainnet. The group volunteered to fix the always expanding Ethereum ETH gas costs, making Ethereum's Layer 2 scaling arrangement with the Matic token as one of the quickest developing crypto resources in 2021. Besides, the Polygon network has developed to draw in the consideration of institutional financial backers, following Matic's quick value rise and gains up to 15,184% in 2021, making new crypto moguls. Nonetheless, the new decrease in the general crypto market cap asks inquiries from numerous old and new financial backers in the Matic token, alongside an interest in realizing the logical value zones to expect an easing back cost decline, and perhaps thematic price predictions for the following 5 years. On the off chance that you fall under both of the class referenced, look no further as we'll give you experiences and cost forecasts from our experts here at Crypto Vault, as well as other eminent crypto examination firms in the business. Before we go any further, we should begin by contacting a piece on how everything began. What is Polygon Matic? In a bid to take on issues encompassing blockchain scaling and usability, Jayanti Kanani, Sandeep Nailwal, and Anurag Arjun helped to establish Polygon, which was sent off as Matic Network in 2017. It is no news that most original blockchains are tormented with high exchange charges and dormancy that consistently hold up traffic of standard reception, including client experience and effectiveness. Enter Layer 2 scaling solutions or outer organizations, with Plasma as the then Matic's offer in 2017. In February 2021, Matic rebranded to Polygon, extending its item presenting as a scaffold that makes it feasible for engineers to fabricate and associate with a more extensive scope of Layer 2 foundations, for example, Optimistic Rollups, Plasma, Scrollups, Validium, and its prior independent Matic Pose sidechain and other sidechains. Polygon presently assumes a significant part by offering the essential framework of various scaling arrangements that would all in all pursue scaling the Ethereum network. However, Matic stays the local token utilized for marking and settling exchange expenses on the Polygon network. Market validation and the fate of Matic. Matic is esteemed at a market cap of $5.18 billion at press time, positioning as one of the top performing coins that are less impacted by the new broad rut. Resources in the Polygon biological system are gotten by an organization of validators utilizing a proof of stake agreement component, where Matic is marked and got as a prize. As a Layer 2 scaling arrangement, Polygon embraces a custom variant of the Plasma system created on Pose designated spots, running on the Ethereum principal chain, which makes it workable for sidechains on Polygon to accomplish up to 65,536 exchanges for every block. Later on, the Polygon network hopes to turn into a decentralized interoperable Layer 2 blockchain stage by expanding support past the Ethereum base chain into extra unknown base chains, as proposed by the local area and agreement. Polygon's concept of extending its functionalities as a Swiss armed force blade to handle the scaling of conventional blockchains makes it a go-to project that financial backers will take part in the organization security through marking of Matic while holding the resource however long 5 years. Central analysis of Polygon. Matic is the local badge of the Polygon network, with 2 use cases being expenses and staking. The Polygon network was sent off in 3 financing adjusts, with an underlying stockpile of 10 billion Matic tokens, beginning with a seed round of $0.17 million in April 2019, an early allies round of $0.44 million, and an initial exchange offering IEO of $5.00 million. A security review of the prior Matic network plasma contract was directed by QuantStamp, where 5 high seriousness, 7 medium, and 4 low seriousness issues were found, which have been settled by the Matic network. The picture above, graciousness of Masari.io, shows the initial inventory breakdown of the Matic token, where 36.3% was allocated for pre-mined rewards and airdrops, 22.8% for investors, and 41.9% for founders and tasks. Dealers and financial backers saw an unexpected flood in their Matic holding. A second secret bullish difference on 01 November 20 uncovered rising financial backer certainty for the Matic token. The standard negative difference on 01 December 21 denoted the beginning of the new revision stage and signed for holders to secure in a portion of their benefits. Nonetheless, in the event that you're like me and you seek hold the Matic token for a long 5 years holding time, then, at that point, you can hope to fire increasing on your long situation, as the Matic token can slip underneath a $0.621 stowed away negative inside bar backing to a base cost of $0.183 toward the year's end. We anticipate the most extreme cost for the Matic token to be the $2.101 cost mark, as it as of now lines up with a negative inside bar candle development, a gathering of sell orders, which the bulls should break, so that us might be able to see further highs in the approaching year. Matic prediction for 2023. The Matic cost is entering oversold domain as the RSI-4 as of now plunges underneath level 25 on the month-to-month time period. At a delayed cost decrease in 2022, an exit of the oversold level would flag a development of bullish energy by January 23, where the Matic cost will leave the $0.255 least cost and climb to the $1.596 most extreme cost level as the Polygon network sees an expansion in its reception and other imaginative thoughts get instated. Polygon price prediction 2027. Not failing to remember that the drawn-out objective of the Polygon network is to be an interoperable scaling answer for anything layer 2 across numerous blockchains. All things considered, we accept that the environment would have developed past its present status in the following 5 years, as Ethereum would have additionally increased to proof of stake. Considering that, we project the Matic cost to hit its greatest cost of $69.46 by 2027, lining up with the 3.618 Fibonacci expansions and a base cost of $4.208, 2.618 Fib level. Crypto Vault experts' analysis on Matic price. Unquestionably, Polkadot is at present the main rival to the Polygon network, as the two of them offer a versatile and interoperable blockchain arrangement. Despite the fact that Polkadot appears to have a more extensive biological system, being an organization of numerous blockchains, the Polygon network is likewise seeing a quick development as it looks past just scaling the Ethereum organization. Other striking contenders incorporate